So today we will learn how to express the following angles in radians. So last time we learned how to express the following angles in degrees. Today we are going to learn how to express the following angles in radians. We will start with the first question. I will show you how to solve it. So first question is 120 degree. So always keep in mind a single digit is always multiplied by 1. So over here also 120 degree is also multiplied by 1 degree. So in the previous lecture how we derived the formula of 180 degree. So from that only we got to know of the formula, the main value of 1 degree is pi upon 180 radians. Something raised to c means a digit raised to c is called radians. So so we know the value of 1 degree equal to pi upon 180 radian. So over here also as I told you 120 degree into 1 degree is always there. So we will substitute the formula 120 into 1 degree. What is 1 degree? Is pi upon 180 radians. So we will substitute it, we will calculate the 0 and 0 will get cancelled. So 6 3s are 18 and 6 2s are 12. So by this we get 2 pi upon 3 radians. We will go to the next question. 225 degrees. So 225 degrees also multiplied by 1 degree, and as we know 1 degree's value is pi upon 180 radians. So which is equal to 225 into 1 degree. So which is equal to 225 into pi upon 180. So 9 2s are 18 and this 0 comes here, and 9 2s are 18, this 45 becomes 9 5s are 45, this 5 4s are 20 and 5 5s are 25. So by after solving this we get 5 pi upon 4 radians. So this is the answer. We'll go to the next question. 945 degrees. So 945 degrees is also the same 945 into 1 degree. To convert it into radian, we need to substitute the value of degree, which is pi upon 180 radian. So we will substitute 945 into pi upon 180. So over here also 9 2s are 18 and this 0 comes over here, 9 10s are 90 and 40 here remains 45, so 9 5s are 45. So 5 4s are 20 and 5 2s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. So after solving this we get the answer 21 pi upon 4 radian. So we will go to the next question. Negative 600 degree. So don't panic if the angle is negative. We will solve it as we solved the previous questions. So negative 600 into pi upon 180 degree, 180 radians. We are converting degree into radians. So we need to keep in mind that we have to substitute the values of degrees. So this 0 and 0 get cancelled, and then 6 1s are 6 and this 0 goes up and 6 3s are 18. So negative 10 pi upon 3 radians will be the main answer. So we will go to the last question. Negative 1 degree upon 5, which is also the same. It is also multiplied by 1 degree. So negative 1 upon 5 into pi upon 180 radian. So here we don't have any kind of digit into in the numerator, so that we can solve further. So simply we have to multiply this 5 into 180, which is 900. Negative remains the same, negative sign, negative pi upon 900 radians. So that's it. So that's it from my side. Thanks for watching my videos. So here are the two extra sums which I want you to solve it by your own. If you have any doubts, kindly ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.